Alright, so welcome back. I hope everybody's still doing alright. We are going to check the homework for 7.4 section 1 today. And so I have up here on the screen for you again. Starting with number 3, we have G if and only if R, if H then P, not F or T. And they want us to do a transposition. So for a transposition, you want a conditional statement. You're going to flip that statement and you're going to negate it. So on line 2, H then P would become not P then not H. With 4, we have if B then N and if N then B, R or F and F or R, if K then L or C then K, and they want a material equivalence. Well, line 1, we have basically a conditional going both directions, if B then N and if N then B. So that would be N with the triple bar B from line 1 through material equivalence. Number 5, we have E or not E, A or A, G and not G, and we want a tautology. So a tautology has to be the same letter joined by a dot or a wedge. So in line 2 you've got A or A, that just becomes A from line 2 through tautology. Number 6, we want a transposition. S or not M, N not T, not L then Q. Well, again, with a transposition, you're going to want to take a conditional statement, flip it, and negate both sides. So here we've got the conditional not L then Q. We flip that, it becomes if Q then not L, and then we negate both sides. So we end up with not Q then not L, or simply L, because two negations cancel each other out, for 3 through transposition. Number 7, we have not C then not F, D or not P, not R and Q, and they want a material equivalence on this one. So if you look at line 1, you've got the conditional not C then not F, and so to make that a material equivalence you would have not C or not F. Right, you can see you'd have not C or F from 1, or if you did the double negation there, you could make that just C or F from 1 through material implication. Number 8, we have if E then R and O, G and N then Z, S then M then P, and they want exportation. So with exportation, if we look at line 2, you've got G and N then Z. That can become if G then, and then the parentheses switch sides, N then Z from 2 through exportation. Number 9, we have D and H or not D and not H, F then J and not F then not J, N or T and not N or not T. And again, they want material equivalence. Now we're used to seeing the material equivalence in the sense of two conditionals, working both ways, if A then B and if B then A. But it also works in terms of the conjunctions as well. Right? It's D and H, or not D and not H. Again, think of it in terms of your truth table here for your equivalencies, right? True, true, or false, false. They're either both the same or both the opposite. So line 1 could become D if and only if H through material equivalence. In 10, we've got K and S or B, K then R or not R, S then G and G, and they want us to use a tautology. Again, tautology to the same letter joined either by the dot or the wedge, and you've got that here in line 3, G and G, so this becomes just S then G from line 3 through a tautology. Now I actually didn't remember whether I'd assigned through 15 or just through 10. I think it was just through 10, but if I did through 15, I just wanted to give you quickly the answers to the others. So number 11 wanted a tautology. Your fourth line should be J then F from 2 through tautology. At 12 they wanted exportation. So your line 4 should be C and H within the parentheses, then A. 13, they wanted a material equivalence, so line 4 should be W if and only if, not T. 14, they wanted a material implication, so line 4 should be K then M within parentheses, if and only if S. And finally line 15, for 15 they wanted a tautology, so your line 4 there should be if S then D from line 1 through tautology. So those are the answers for 7.4 section 1. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but otherwise hopefully you guys have got it down and you're good to go.